Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90 and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this HUAWEI. You need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps section. After that, you need to select App Twin and click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone, in my case Snapchat. Now you need to wait a bit and go back. As you can see now, when I try to access Snapchat app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!